y'all gotta seriously do it. Oh man.
Look in the car.
What time is it?
It's hard.
Oh no, y'all can take pictures. And whenever.
Oh my god. Okay. Are you videoing?
Yeah. Which one is it?
It's that flat one. Flat top one.
Keep your flashlight on it so I can see it in the camera. Stop. I wish you'd
I
stop.
was wondering what that was.
Leaves.
Yeah, the shadow on the ground.
I didn't pee. Look at it, Jessica.
I was looking to see if your dad was driving off or anything. He drove off while I wasn't listening.
See it lightning?
No. I think my heart fell through my butt. Wonder what time it is.
Should told Daddy blow his horn when it turned midnight.
Daddy.
Did you not bring your cell phone?
I left it in the car. Mom, I can't see.
There's a car coming. I'm afraid to turn my flashlight on. I should be sitting out front.
You can hear my bra squeaking.
My heart's a freaking son. Oh gosh.
Okay, turn the flashlight on and tell me if anyone's there.
Okay, you see that flat one I did?
Yeah, the first one.
That's her. I went.
Somebody shut the gate.
What?
I'm gonna see the gate.
It wouldn't shut earlier. Put it on there, Mommy. On the gate.
No, don't take it off there. I don't want to.
Put it back. Put it back.
Okay.
I got a poop.
She's in the tree.
What?
I think we should get inside the graveyard.
You want
Oh,
to?
no.
I will.
Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. That can't. Are we not supposed to
Please
be in
don't
here?
stop. So what are you doing, mister?
We're not supposed to be in here?
I don't think so.
No, from dusk. From morning till dusk.
We're not supposed to. Well, who's your fucking hand?
Oh, better. Let's go. Oh my god.
Are you seriously not supposed to be in here?
You took the flashlight off.
Get the flashlight on. I'm going in the middle.
I'll go
Or
in.
the side.
There's a humongous puddle. Too late. I have no flipping flashlight, Mommy. Go.
Oh, it was fine.
Mommy, I can't see. Jessica, get off my
I'm
back.
trying to not get hit by the freaking stuff.
There's a hole.
I'm gonna take a picture of it. So I can look it up. May the 28th. Remember this, y'all. May 28th. You got a recording calendar?
Okay.
May the 28th,
May 28th,
1852.
1852.
I was trying to see if that's what it said. May 28th.
It's not funny.
M-O-R-I-A-H.
Moriah.
What?
It's the stone.
Why is there light on it?
It's from the, what's half of it's white.
M-I. What's that?
Oh my god, did you hear that?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Y'all ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
Watch the spider.
Oh shit. I'm gonna think something's crawling on me in the car and I'm gonna think it's her. Crap, shine your light down. We're ready to go. What? Oh shit, he's gonna say it's midnight and we heard it. Oh god.
Oh my god, It's 12 o'clock.
Oh my god.
Now turn 12.
Yeah, and we heard something go.
Are you still recording?
Yeah, we heard something go.
Hey!
We was gonna stay
Okay, let's look at it. Let's look at it. Let's look down there. Shine your light. Shine your flashlight up there and see if you can see anything.
We should have.
Oh, roll down the. Oh god, no.
Let's go back up there, Molly.